my hair is a mess. How's it going, guys? It's your boy, That Brown Boy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently I've really gotten into baking. So since it's Sunday today, the weather is beautiful, I thought to myself, why not show you guys one of my favorite recipe, Nutella chocolate chip cookie. So it's a very simple recipe. I think if you show this recipe to your dog, he'll be able to do it for you. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Drop a like if you like it, and also don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so whenever I upload, you guys will be the first to be notified. So let's go.
Take this feel.